on now is I'm taking the measurement of the new handle versus the pre-drilled holes. And you can see that it will go in one, but I'm gonna need to drill a new hole. But aesthetically, I think I like this hole better, so I wanted the brackets to come inside. So on each drawer, once I finish wiping them down, I'm gonna plug this hole with some wood filler and let that go ahead and dry before I drill in my next hole for the new hardware. Okay, so it is day 2 of this beautiful makeover that's going to happen. So you guys can see that I have already sanded down the wood filler. Some areas I mean, this is super smooth, so you don't even have to worry about it. But other areas I did go ahead and sand it all the way off, leaving just the hole filled. I mean, this feels so amazing. And I did use 150 grit sandpaper, and the drawer slides are metal and they are a little outdated and worn, and I am trying to determine if I'm going to be able to replace them. But in the meantime, just in case, I did go ahead and tape up all of the metal on the bottom parts of the drawer, because once I start to spray, I just don't want to mess up the integrity of it. And the same thing goes for these wooden portions of the drawer slides. Again, I just did not want to mess up the integrity of it, so I went ahead just to be safe and cover that up as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this first coat of primer down and see what that's looking like. Okay, so you can see that I sprayed down the side, leaving it up till just about here, simply because there's some spots that need to be addressed. So this spot here, you can see where it's lifting up. I'm not gonna use Bondo, I'm gonna just use some wood filler. And so because of that, I don't want to take the whole strip off. So what I'm going to do is just apply some wood glue and go ahead and clamp it and let that dry for a bit, and then address the other side with the wood filler as well. So quickly, I'm going to just show you what that looks like before the filler And again, I'm just using the same plastic wood and my plastic putty knife.